My name's Katie. I'm a manager here at Aspen Ice. I've been working with Aspen Ice for 6 years. I also teach figure skating and hockey private lessons. The building's been here for about 15 years. There's 2 sheets of ice here. We do figure skating, hockey, learn to skate. We have public sessions. So there's always a lot of people coming in and out of the building, whether it's, grandparents watching or just 3-year-olds coming here to learn how to skate. We have 2 beautiful TVs out front, and they both have, great pictures up there. We have the commercial. People are able to see that now. I don't think very many people got to see that before. My experience with CSAV Systems was really, really great. Everything turned out really great. We have pictures and commercials that everyone's able to see now that people weren't able to see before. Thank you, CSAV Systems.